Alright guys, what's up? Welcome here. Guess what I have today for you? Guess what it is? Alright, let me show you guys. Well, it is a company which actually sent me this, so I cannot show you that, but yeah, it is a card that company sent me, so alright, let me show you what it is. Take a look at this bad boy. Let's go! Exactly!
Oh my god! Wow!
Exactly, take a look at this beautiful bad boy. I don't know who actually punched that from here, but by the way, this is Meta Quest 2. Check this out. Meta Quest 2. Isn't it amazing? Let's go. I bought it like yesterday, and today we're gonna open it with our perfect, beautiful dagger. Alright, let's unbox it. Let's see what we have here. Alright, let's see. Interesting it is, very interesting. I like it. Alright, let's see. Let's open it up. Oh, there we go. Boom. Smooth, isn't it? There we go. Let's open it. Take a look. It's perfectly. Oh, my bad. Sorry. It's actually perfectly packed. So let me just open the packaging real quick. I just wanna see it. I'm so excited. It's my first time buying this Meta Quest 2. So after 5 years of waiting, you know. And let's see. Here it is. There we go. Well, let's check it out. There we go. Let's check it out. There we go. Meta Quest 2. Take a look at this bad boy. Alright. Oh my god, let's go. Let's go. So this is the all new Meta Quest 2. I bought it from somewhere far away. Finally, it's here. Finally, after like working for after like waiting for so much time and so much effort. Let's check it out. There we go. Check this out. Oh, it's like something like a silicone cover. Alright. Alright. This looks so cool. Oh, okay. It just came out normally. We can just set the sensors. Yeah, you guys can see the sensor, right? This is it. No sunlight on senses, no liquid cleaner. I mean, there should be something like something that can actually protect the lenses, you know? Okay, well, it's looks kind of cool. This looks kind of cool. All right. And hold on, let me just put it aside here on this cover. And what is this? It is like a protection cover. Oh, so that's what it is. Silicone cover. It's to protect your. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can actually put it on VR. So yeah. This is glasses spacer. If you wear glasses, you can actually wear it on your head, which is actually kind of cool. All right. And what is this? Whoa, take a look. Okay. Oh, it's a charger. It's a charger. So it's a charger right here, and it is the instruction manual maybe. Ooh, it's a MetaQuest guide. It's actually pretty big. That's what she said. Quick start. Okay, so that's how it is. Wear it adjustments. Alright. Non-explosive care and cleaning. Microfiber cloth. Alright, there we go. That's it. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Come on, get in. There we go. Alright. Very good. So it is the charger here, and these are the controllers of the MetaQuest 2. I just wanna pull it out. So there it is. You guys can see. I hope you guys can see it. Look. So that's how we wear it, like that. We gotta pull it out in order to start the VR. So yeah, this is it, and these are the buttons that we actually play with. I think this is the thing that we actually wear on our hand. It actually helps us not to, in other, if we, just in case if we drop it, so it will actually hold it back like that, you know. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. That's it. These are the stuff. These are the things that I wanted to show you guys in the real quick, cool video here. And I hope you like the video, guys. If you do, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and like the video. So yeah, this is it. So I'll see you guys later in the next video with some awesome content and stuff about the VR. So take care, guys. Stay happy, stay safe, keep smiling, and yeah, see you guys later in the next video. So yeah, until then, bye guys. Take care. See ya.